Hey, what's up guys, CodefForge here, welcome in the next video. Today I would like to show you how to install Bootstrap so you can use it later to build your first web page. We'll start with creating index.html file and it will be our home page. And you can see that we are in the Bootstrap installation directory and this is the place where we want to create our file. So we have to right click, select new file and create index.html. Inside we would like to create a basic HTML structure, and thanks to the emmet we can say HTML and we can select the second option and hit enter. And as you can see, emmet saves a lot of time and it is also shipped together with the VS Code, so I encourage you to use it. And now going back to the Bootstrap installation, we have two ways to do it. The first one is by using the CDN, which stands for Content Delivery Network, and the second one is by downloading the sources and attaching it to our web page. We'll use the CDN approach because it's faster, so let's go to the Bootstrap web page. In your web browser, you want to navigate to the getbootstrap.com, and after hitting enter, the page like this should appear. From here, we want to hit the download. And over here from the menu on the right side, you want to hit Bootstrap CDN. Here we can find some HTML tags and we are interested in this part over here, which includes the CSS files for the Bootstrap and also the Bootstrap.js files. So we want to copy it and go back to our text editor. We are back in the text editor and now we want to paste our stuff in the body tag. Like this. We also want to move the Bootstrap CSS to the head tag, so let's move it over here under the title tag. And we'll also format the code. And yeah, this is a good practice to do it this way. You can also put the script tags in the head tag and use the defer or async, but we want to make it as simple as possible. To work correctly, Bootstrap.js requires jQuery and Popper.js, so we have to go back to the getbootstrap.com and copy some additional scripts. We are still on the same page and from here we want to copy the script for the jQuery and the Popper.js. So we want to click copy over here and we want to go back to our editor. So we are back in the editor and now we want to paste the jQuery and Popper.js scripts before the Bootstrap.js. So we will go over here, paste it, and we'll also format the code. So your scripts should be in the following order: jQuery, Popper.js, and the Bootstrap.js at the end. Okay, it looks good. So now we can use one of the Bootstrap examples to test it out. So let's go back to the getbootstrap.com. We are back on the page and over here from the menu on the top, we want to hit the examples button. Let's look for something nice to use. And let's say we'll use Jumbotron. So we want to click it. And now we want to check out the sources, so we right click it and we'll say view page source, or we can use the Ctrl+U shortcut. From here we want to copy some stuff, so we'll go over here and we'll start from the nav and we'll go to the end of the main tag over here. So we want to copy it and go back to the editor. We are back in the editor and now we want to paste the code between the body opening tag and the jQuery script tag. So we want to paste it over here. Let's format the code. And also let's change something. So we'll scroll up and we'll find the Jumbotron here and we'll change the hello world to the hello Bootstrap. Like this. Okay, and now we would like to test it out and I will use something that is called Live Server. And it is the Visual Studio Code plugin. It starts the local server, so thanks to that your web page is served from this server. we want to save our file, and right click on the index.html and select the Open with Live Server option. After a few seconds it should start and we can see the page. And it all looks good, Bootstrap works, so we have done everything correctly. And also we can check out if the jQuery works good. So we can test out if the menu on the top is responsive. So open the console by hitting F12. And now you have to make it smaller. And now we can see that the menu on the top changed. And now we can hit the burger menu button to see the options to navigate. So jQuery also works with the Bootstrap.js. Okay guys, so this is basically it. This is how you want to install the Bootstrap on your web page. And this is one of the ways of installing Bootstrap. I have also mentioned about downloading the sources and attaching it to the web page. If you want to, I can make another video how to do it. So let me know in the comments. I also encourage you to play a little bit with this web page, maybe change the placeholder text or add some Bootstrap components to make it a little bit more complex. And yeah, thank you for watching. Remember about supporting the channel by subscribing and also by liking the videos. See you next time. Bye.